Okay, YouTube, this is JV here. This is part 1.5 of my air supply because I realized I might have left something out that might have confused some of y'all. Basically, even though I was saying it cannot self-sustain the flame, well, in the video, if you saw the flame did not start to touch the blowtorch, it did not come back in here. That's one indicator. But if some of you might have gotten confused about that, I'll do it again. And this time, I will I will show you if I take the torch away, that it will stop. Oh wait, hold on, I've got it unplugged. Someone's coming down here. So basically, I'm going to re-demonstrate the fact that I'm going to turn on the propane. Don't have it on enough. Okay. Basically, see, it stops. So I was just showing that it wouldn't sustain the flame.